Welcome to IQ Quiz. What is this called in English? Wallet. What is this called in English? Lantern. What is this called in English? Mountain. What is this called in English? Rock. What is this called in English? Spoon. What is this called in English? Balloon. What is this called in English? Clock. What is this called in English? Soft serve. What is this called in English? Gelato. What is this called in English? Popsicle. What is this called in English? Frozen yogurt. What is this called in English? Sorbet. What is this called in English? Sherbet. What is this called in English? Mochi. What is this called in English? Ban. What is this called in English? Braid. What is this called in English? Ponytail. What is this called in English? Bob. What is this called in English? Pixie cut. What is this called in English? Afro. What is this called in English? Straight hair. What is this called in English? Bell pepper. What is this called in English? Cucumber. What is this called in English? Cabbage. What is this called in English? Celery. What is this called in English? Beetroots. What is this called in English? Potato. What is this called in English? Onion. What is this called in English? Caramel. What is this called in English? Hard candy. What is this called in English? Pick and mix. What is this called in English? Jelly beans. What is this called in English? Gumdrops. What is this called in English? Chewing gum. What is this called in English? Box of chocolate. What is this called in English? Bluetooth. What is this called in English? Wi-Fi. What is this called in English? Hotspot. What is this called in English? Single bars. What is this called in English? VPN. What is this called in English? At. What is this called in English? Hashtag. What is this called in English?